Come on, Jimmy, let's go look for some gold. Nothing here. Dig. Oh my god! Oh my god, it's gold! We found gold! We found gold! No.
Let's go build a road.
Yeah. Oh god! I'm dying! Oh my god! He's dead! Come on! Come back to life, please! Oh my god! You're dead, you motherfucker!
Hello, what is your name and what are you going to do in America?
Hello, my name is Hansi Smith. I came here to America because I would like to find gold and become rich, but I have a lot of debt in Germany where I'm from. I would like to raise a family over here in the US but still keep the German traditions, and it's going to be very nice when I got a family.
Hello, who are you and what do you wish to accomplish in the United States?
Hello, my name is Mario Montolivio. I am from the country of pizza and spaghetti. I came here to bring the Italian food and culture to the Americans. I was actually a chef on board the ship, and they told me that I made a good pizza recipe. So I would like to open a restaurant here in America. My wife Luciana she still lives in Milano, and I would like to bring her to America if the restaurant goes well. Hello, what's your name and what are you going to accomplish in America?
Hi, my name is Joaquin Bombay. I come from the African country Kenya, and I would like to get to America to start a new life and make some money for my poor family back in Kenya. Back in Kenya my family lives, there's my daughters. I have 14 daughters, 5 sons and 6 wives, and they sent me here to make money for the family because one of my daughters is very sick. I come to America in the hope of they will not harass me because of my hard work, but when I came here they were picking on me and made me their slave, so I want to go home again because I have not made all the money I wanted to.